Hello everyone. I just wanted to go through a few steps and instructions before you start lesson 1 to learn the home row, spacebar, enter, and the letter I. So go ahead and click the link, and the Cengage link always has the logo next to it. So right now we're in assignment lesson 1, learn the home row, spacebar, enter, and I key. And then over here it lists how many tasks are in this one lesson. If you click this bar here, it'll list all of the tasks that you're doing them. As you're working on them, you'll get check marks on every single assignment until they're all completed. So to close it, just click it again. So the first one's a video, so you must watch the video. And the video is discussing the placement of not only your posture and your body, but your fingers. So it's important, and I emphasize that you do what as they suggest, and you shouldn't be doing this on the couch or somewhere where you don't have a proper posture and sitting up nice and straight at a table. I go as much as on my laptop. I plug in the USB drive, I attach a keyboard so that I have full control of a keyboard, not just typing on the laptop. But I'm old school, so that's I type very hard, and I usually, if I'm leaning on the keyboard of the laptop, I'm usually touching the mouse pad and opening things I had no plan on opening, so I stick to the keyboard itself, separate from the laptop. And your fingers would be placed on home row, A, S, D, F, J, K, L, semi, and you hug the keys so that they're curved over the home row, and your fingers are always going to stay in home row position as you learn new letters. So I'm going to start the video. When the video is done, go ahead and click Next Task, and it's going to introduce your fingers where they should be on the keyboard, and then they want you to actually tap the letter A, and then the S, D, F, J, K, L, semi. Now, new task comes up. It's the default tab, so you actually don't have to take your mouse off and click Next Tab. Just press Enter, and it goes to the next task. And you're just typing what you see here, the letters A, S, D, F, and it's going in this box below it. You can make the letters a little bit larger if you'd like, doesn't do a whole lot. But use your keyboard for visualization of where your fingers are, and then type A, S, D, F, and then press Enter, and then you have the new task, and enter again. Now the right hand, J, K, L, semi, enter by using the right pinky, and enter again, or you can press the letter N and it takes you to the next task. So now all of them together, enter, and again enter, and you keep going through all the tasks, and as you see they keep changing. So I'm going to jump to a different task. On task 24, you've learned the home row and the introduction of the new letter I with your right hand middle finger, K to I. And when you see key this line at a brisk space and then tap Enter when you're finished, I'm going to suggest that you do not type it fast. Type it in slow motion. So I'm going to type this very carefully, accurately, and slow. Once I'm finished, I'll press Enter. And what happens, you're typing this line again, and they actually want you to type this one faster. So if you don't do the first one slower, at a slower pace, and then the second one at a faster pace, at the end, when you're at task 32, it'll come back and you'll have to repeat this. So the first one is when it said to type it at a brisk, I would type it at very slow pace and accurate. This one is the one you want to type faster. On the second one, you'll get your results, and then you can go to the next task. So again, type it first time slow, second time faster. Let's say it's you have to leave this session right now, and you're not finished. Do not click submit, because if you click submit, you're submitting that you've only completed up to task 25. Just X out. And when you return to lesson 1, it'll pick up exactly where you left off, and then you can continue. Once you reach the task 32, you'll be finished and you're ready to go on to lesson 1, learn review, and then continue on to lesson 2. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to email me and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you. Good luck.